Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the auto reframe feature on CapCut mobile. So here I've already imported this video into CapCut, and to use the auto reframe you can just click on the video and swipe to the toolbar until you find this auto reframe. But please be note that this is the pro feature, so if you are on the free CapCut you need to first join the CapCut Pro to be able to use it. So click on the auto reframe, sorry. So by using this auto reframe, you can change the video's aspect ratio and make sure that the main objects in the video remains in the frame. So just select the size. For example, I'm going to go with 9 by 16. Here you can adjust the camera moving speed. I'm going to go with normal. Click on the check icon and that's it. You can also change the aspect ratio to make the video looks better. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.